Hey guys, Osato here. So I only have 10 minutes before my class starts. So let's see what I can get done in that time. So mornings like this, when I'm rushing, I just add primer. My foundation shade, NW51. This is the MAC 24-hour concealer. So the dark patches I have on the side of my face and underneath my eyes are melasma. I'm being treated for it by the dermatologist. Okay, going with my highlight shade, which is NW45. So I used to think I was super tired because I always had dark circles under my eyes, but that's also melasma. So when I do my chemical peels, she puts it underneath my eyes as well, and that helps to lighten it up. Fun fact, I developed melasma when I got pregnant with my son, and it never went away. All right, I'm starting to look human again. This is the color NW55. So when I'm in a rush, I don't have time to go in between brushes and, so I just use the same brush for everything. Not my makeup coming out better as I'm rushing. It be like that sometimes, y'all. Okay. Let's set the face. Benai Dose. Let's do our eyebrows. What time is it? So my eyebrows tend to be the longest part of my routine. I actually love doing my eyebrows. Some days I get it right, and some days I don't. And that's okay. Bronzer Fenty Beauty in the color Mocha Mammy, blush in the color Dose Vita. Not me almost putting it on my forehead. I'm not focused this morning. All right. Little mascara on your bottom lashes. Cannot put mascara up top because I have false lashes on. All right, guys, and I am done. I'll see you guys in my next video.